Welcome to ETI's step-by-step guide on creating your custom product catalog, a tool designed to make your project planning faster and more efficient. Step 1. Begin by exploring our extensive range of products. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale operation, ETI has everything you need. As you find the items that fit your project's requirements, simply add them to My Products. This personalized list ensures that all your selections are in one place, easy to review and manage. Step 2. Once you've selected your products, head over to the My Products page. Here, you can review and finalize your list, making sure everything you need is included. Step 3. It's time to choose how you want your product list exported. Need a simple, editable list? Opt for the basic Excel file. For a quick share with detailed links, the basic PDF product list is perfect. And for a comprehensive resource, create your own custom ETI product catalog. This custom catalog is more than just a technical datasheet, it's your project's technical documentation, with live links to product pages and downloadable assets like 3D files, instruction manuals, EU declarations and more. Step 4. Utilize your custom catalog throughout your project for instant access to all the information and resources you need, right at your fingertips. At ETI, we're dedicated to making your work easier and more efficient. With this custom catalog feature, you're in control, ensuring that everything you need is just a click away.